Okay, Juice.
Words of wisdom.
In your few and gentle years, sum up all of your wisdom into one sentence and share it with us, please. Grandpa always says, be cool. Uncle Pat says, catch it before it dries. I don't remember what Uncle John says. Grandma with white hair. I think she says always have a plan B.
Green, blue, white, red.
So what is this cake we have here, Juice?
Red, green,
Vogue.
blue.
It's a Rubik's Cube cake? Holy moly.
And this is
That looks
a Rubik's
delicious.
Cube.
Yes,
Wait,
it is.
Stop.
Where's Fitz? We can't sing without Fitz.
Wait.
Celeste, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, Juice, what's the wisdom? Or no cake? Or should we look at the decorations?
Red, green, and
Mommy did on the
red,
ceiling.
green, and blue.
Wow.
Like,
And the decorations that are like a Rubik's Cube over there on the ceiling.
That's not a. Oh, I don't know. Wait, why was that supposed to be
why
physical in
not the
there?
Rubik's Cube?
Because it's chocolate.
Okay, come and sing. Come and sing, guys. Then we'll hear some birthday wisdom. Get our Monopoly on.
Baby.
It won't go in, Frosted. Don't break it. Don't you want to be able to use it for your birthday this time?
Push it in.
Wait, it would be cool if you put some on the side.
Stop, Fresca. You've already been asked to stop for no one.
I want to put one in.
Oh, wait. Can you pause the video?
No.
Never mind.
Can I put this one in?
They don't.
Wait, okay.
Wisdom juice. That birthday wisdom.
I wanted to put it
Put
in.
it over there. Put it
Mm-hmm.
right there. Push.
Like, what?
Always crush your opponents in board games.
I got it really deep.
We're trying to get 13. So.
Oh.
Lucky 13 for juice.
Lucky 3. Lucky 13. Lucky 23. Lucky 3 anything.
Since once I saw it, fire and Celeste and blue. I just saw one of those.
You mean you saw a candle?
I mean, not a candle.
Was it on, like, a part for room on fire? No. It was a candle.
Happy birthday.
Wait, let's get the chair over here and put the juice by it. That chair in there, Jeremy?
Excuse me.
All of them are going to live.
Hey.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julius. Happy birthday to you. And many more. And Scooby-Doo on Channel 2.
Are we done? Yes, it is. Hey, juice.
He's making a wish.
Those are like sparkling ones.
Yeah, they are.
He doesn't have to blow out a sparkler.
Okay, go ahead,
Can't
juice.
blow it. Can you blow out a sparkler?
Just blow him out, Juice, when you're
Hold on,
ready.
Sully, let him go. But stop it, Sully. It's not gonna work. Okay, go, juice. Careful, Sully.
I didn't do that. Did I do that?
Yeah.
Okay, blow. Let me play. Maybe you don't say it. You don't really. Yeah, the sparkler ones are trick candles. Kind of.
Well, they don't.
Last year for him.
They don't blow out.
Sully, move it. Go ahead, juice.
Trick candles. Ready?
Let's
Everyone.
wait for them to burn.
Whose idea was the trick candle?
Wait, don't.
Sully, don't. Let juice.
Wait.
Work on it.
Juice, what's your birthday wisdom? Everything you've learned in 13 years.
Something about Minecraft. I don't know.
Something about Minecraft. Never dig right below your feet.
Yeah, never dig straight down or else you can fall into lava.
Yes.
Can we
Got it.
It's out.
Or you can call